Okay, so let us proceed by our next topic. But before that, you're going to answer this activity. So match column A to column B. So the words in column A are Philippines, Japan, Thailand, South Korea, and China. And for letter B, we have Beijing, Tokyo, Manila, Seoul, and Bangkok. So Philippines is matched to okay, Philippines and Manila. Another. The second one is, the word is Japan, Tokyo. The third one, Thailand. Okay, Thailand and Bangkok. O, South Korea, Kirante. Seoul. And China and Beijing. What is the relation of column A and column B?
Yung column A po, ayun po yung county. Then yung column B po, ayun po yung capital.
Okay, very good. So, the relation of column A and column B. Column A is the given country, while column B is the capital of the given country. Okay, so our topic for today is all about relation. Okay, when we say relation, relation is a set of ordered pairs. Okay, balik ulit tayo sa ordered pairs. Ordered pair, it is composed of X, Y. Or sa Tagalog, si relation daw ay binubuo ng mga ordered pairs. Okay, example I have here. So 1, A, we have 2, B, we have 3, C. Okay, set A is also an example of relation because set A is composed of how many ordered pairs do we have? 3. Kailangan more than 1 para masabi nating relation siya. Kasi a set of ordered pairs. Okay, so the set of all first coordinate is what we call the domain. While the set of all second coordinates are what we call the range. Based on the given, again, how many ordered pairs do we have? 3. Now, if we have 3 ordered pairs, how many domain kaya? Ilang domain meron tayo? Again, pag sinabi natin domain, it is the set of all first coordinate. Or sa Tagalog, ito yung mga number, letter, or word na nasa unahan ng ordered pair. O dito, ano yung nasa una po? 1. O dito po, 2, and then this is 3. When we say domain, it is a set of all first coordinate, and that is 1, 2, and 3. While the range is what we call the set of all second coordinate. Plus, pag sinabi natin sets, gagamit tayo ng bracket or braces. Okay, and then ilalagay natin sa loob ng braces yung mga domain natin, and then don't forget to use a comma. Okay, so based on the given, what are the range? A, B, and C. Very good. Okay, so another example. By the way, a relation between the domain and range can be presented in different ways. So the first way is what we call the ordered pairs. When we say ordered pair, it is composed of parentheses, X, Y. The X, or the first number, the first letter, or the first word will be the domain, and the second word, number, or letter is the range. Based on the given, another sets or relation. The given elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9. Based on the given relation, what is the domain? Another hand? Yes, EO? Okay, very good. The domain are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And what is the range? Bautista? 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so any question about domain and range? Okay, another example given a statement naman or a sentence. A set of fathers and son. What do you think is the domain? Origin? Father, and the range is son. Okay, next, a set of students and their advisor. Garalde, what is the domain? And the range is advisor. The third one, a set of teachers and their birthmonths. What is the domain? Okay, teachers, and the range is birth month. Okay, so another. Let us help. Beverly is cleaning the house. We need to help her by complete the task by drawing an arrow from set A to set B. So the set A, or our set A, is composed of things that found inside the house. And then for set B is the parts of the house. Okay, first word is cup. Kabongan? Okay, kitchen. Very good. How about the second word? Bedroom, pillow, and bedroom. Number 3, toiletries. O yes, iho. Comfort room, blanket. Toprio, bedroom, plate. Yes, anak? Kitchen and bed sheet. Okay, Rante. Okay, bedroom. So, the given relation, let us write Okay, the given ordered pairs. Okay, so si Cap, ano ang kanyang ka-pair? Okay, meaning the elements of set A are Cap, kama, kitchen. Next, pillow, kama, bedroom. Next, toiletries, kama, okay, blanket, kama, plate, kama, and then bed sheet, kama. Okay, these are the example of relation.